Hey all, welcome to Anjus universe. Today I am going to do two types of Muri. Actually, it's puffed rice snack dish. So normally people what they call it's Bhel Puri, but it is not the puri we are eating in streets and all. That is not the Bhel Puri. That is the Jhaal Muri. So it started from Kolkata, Calcutta. It's a very famous puffed rice snack item. You can find each and every corner of the streets. So there people know what is Jhaal Muri and what is Bhel Muri. So today you don't have to go to Calcutta for that. So I'm here to show you the Bhel Muri and the Jhaal Muri. So let's start with the Bhel Muri. So what is Bhel Muri? So let me show you the things we need for this recipe. First of all, one bowl and a spoon to mix it. And this is the Muri or the puffed rice or Murmure or Muri, or some places it's called Puri also. So this is the Muri. Second thing, this is a mixture of everything like nuts and then this save or bhujia. This is tomato chopped, this is bhujia, this is coriander leaves chopped, boiled potato chopped, and this is onion, cucumber, this is chana, red chana, which I have boiled, and this is coconut. I have chopped it in small pieces. This is roasted chana, dry. This is green chili chopped. This is peanut roasted. This is salt according to taste. Some lemon juice. This is black salt. This is red chili powder, roasted, dry roasted and powdered. This is mustard oil. It has got nice pungency into it. So this we will use for this recipe. And this is some sweet tamarind chutney. So let's start with the Bhel Muri. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this Muri into a bowl. So this is the Muri. Now I will add all the spices and the things. So I'm going to use one spoon. So some diced tomatoes, some onion, some cucumber, some potatoes, coriander leaves, red chana boiled, some peanuts, coconut, green chilies, roasted chana, some mixture bhujia, now comes the dry thing, some salt according to taste, some black salt, this is also according to taste. So you have to check and give because you are adding two salts. Now some mustard oil which I have mentioned before, some lime juice. This for this quantity I'm using like 2 teaspoon of this lime juice. Red chili powder, and at the end this sweet tamarind chutney. So we are going to mix this well. So here's I have mixed it well, and you can taste it. If you want some salt or lime juice, you can add it. and then I'm going to serve it in a bowl in a minute. So this is the real Bhel Muri. It will be the sweeter and with the tamarind chutney and whatever ingredients I have shown you. So this is the real Bhel Muri. So now I'm going to show the Jhaal Muri, which we got normally in the streets. So let me show you that. So the next is the Jhaal Muri. So let me show you the ingredients. This is the Muri, puffed rice or murmure. We have to take plain, because sometimes I have seen in market it will be turmeric or some mixed, some spices will be there. So we need for this recipe this plain one, white one. Okay, then next is boiled potato chopped, some mixture. This is aloo bhujia. You can use Bhel Puri also. So this is tomato chopped, coriander chopped, some coconut chopped. This is green chili chopped. This is Muri Masala. Actually this is homemade Muri Masala. I have made specially for this recipe. So this is the Muri Masala. And this is roasted chana. This is mustard oil. This is peanut, lemon juice, black salt, normal salt white. This is boiled chana, red chana. This is soaked red chana. So I'm going to use this soaked red chana in this recipe. And this is some red chili powder. It's according to your taste. If you want to add it, you can add, otherwise you can skip this one. So this is cucumber chopped, onion chopped. So these are the things we have to mix in a big bowl. So let me do that. So here's the bowl. I'm going to put the puffed rice or the muri into this bowl. So let's start mixing. So here's, I'm going to put potatoes, tomatoes, cucumber, green chilies, chana, boiled chana, soaked chana, coriander leaves, roasted peanuts, coconut chopped, some onion chopped, roasted chana. Now we'll put the lemon juice, mustard oil, 2 teaspoons of mustard oil I'm going to put it, some salt according to taste, some black salt for the taste, and the Muri masala which I have made, and a little bit of roasted red chili powder, mixture, and the bhujia. Now I'm going to mix it well. As you can see, our jhaal muri is ready. So let me serve in a different bowl and show you. So here's our jhaal muri is ready. So this is the jhaal muri and this is the Bhel Puri. So I have shown you the difference between the jhaal muri and the Bhel Muri. So let me know about what you think about my this snacks item. So enjoy it. I hope you like it. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and keep watching for new videos.